Okay, so today we're gonna go through a screen here that we've moved from our planter tractor to another machine that we're gonna use this 2630 in. One common thing that we see when we move display from one machine to another is this screen that we're seeing now that says controller not yet available. So it's not a problem with a controller, it's just a matter that this 2630 was being used with a different controller prior to being in this machine, and that controller could have been a planter controller or a John Deere rate controller, and now this display is not seeing that controller. So to fix this problem, what we'll do is we'll go down here to main menu, and then we'll hit layout manager. And then you can see that this big area in the middle that's red is blank because that controller is not available to be used. So we'll touch that and we'll look for the list of controllers that can be used in the instance we're in right now. So what I want to use it for is auto track. So I'm going to choose my green star, and then I'm going to choose this big mapping screen that we use for auto track. And then we'll hit accept. So now on this screen, we've got our big mapping screen in the middle, and then we've got our client farm field over here on the right. And then we also have a second home screen. So on that second home screen, we've got some blank areas. So within Layout Manager, we can also set those up to have some data or information that we want to use. So we'll go back into Layout Manager here, and then we'll choose those blank areas. And we'll say we want to do a performance monitor so we can see, you know, how many gallons an acre we're burning for fuel. So we'll touch that area in the middle, and then we'll go over here to this blue area, and we'll say we want to change some auto track universal settings if we're using that. So we'll touch this, and now we've got this screen laid out with our auto track on the top, performance monitor on the bottom, and then some auto track adjustment settings on the right. So we'll hit accept there. And then you can see that that moved it to our home page number 2, and then our home page number 1 is going to be that plain auto track page that we set up.